This may look like your everyday multi-tool, but it is more than just a multi-tool. This multi-tool is actually going to be equipped with a zip tie cutter right there on the outside. It has a locking mechanism so it'll hold it together. Meet the NEXTORCH Pioneer. The Pioneer is equipped with everything that a person can need every day, whether you're in the trades or just want a nice pocket knife to carry. You have your saw blade, you have your straight blade. Also on the outside is going to be equipped with that straight blade screwdriver, and you have that gut hook, which is perfect for opening boxes. I know what you're thinking, right? I'm going to open this up to a giant pair of pliers. Absolutely not. The Pioneer actually has a set of serrated scissors. You have those serrated edges on there that's going to make this thing cut super heavy duty plastic, wood, and even metal in some cases. A lot of us don't need a huge pair of scissors every day. Well, we do need this. If you're used to your everyday multi-tool that has a set of pliers on it, Pioneer actually has the pliers. It has those removable carbide replaceable inserts on it as well. It has your belt clip for everyday carry, and it's also going to have that ruler on the outside of it to take those measurements with. When you do a deep dive into this, the NEXTORCH Pioneer is actually made of a little bit better quality steel than what most name brand multi-tools are. They actually add 15% nickel into this when they build it, which is going to give it more corrosion resistancy than what a lot of your leading name brand multi-tools have. If you want to pick up the Pioneer from NEXTORCH, they have some great deals running on these right now. I'm going to leave that orange shopping cart for you at the bottom of the screen. You can pick it up there.